guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, nice to meet you. My name is CJ. If you're not new, hey babes, welcome back. So today's video is sort of like a tutorial on how to make this jungle or distressed locks. I don't know the name now, but I'll put the title, I'll put the name in the title so that you guys know what we're talking about. You already know what this is about before you click the video. But what inspired this video? I'm out of breath. Actually, so what inspired this video was I was looking for, a style to make during the week, and I kept searching the internet, and then I found this locks on this page, but it was like an American page. And I tried to find it on YouTube. I didn't find what I was looking for. I checked different pages and I was like, why can't I find this? Like, how do they make this? How is this done? So I called my stylist and she was like, oh yeah, I can do this. So she assured me that she can do it, and judging from what she has done for me in the past, I was like, okay, I'm going to trust you and we're going to make it together. So basically, I'm just going to do like a step-by-step tutorial on how this hair is made and how we were able to achieve this at the end of the day. So yeah, that's what this video is about. I wanted to open it. She's already on our way here. She's coming. So if this is something you like to watch, keep on watching. So I used this Expression Bouncy Kinky. I used 3 packs because of the length I wanted it, and it was almost not enough, to be honest. So if you want it longer and fuller, you use more. If you want it shorter, you use less. Then the first thing she's going to do is mat my hair 1-1. You know when you're doing like your normal box braids? Exactly, that's just what she's doing. This is also the time to determine how full or how scanty the hair is going to be. So if you want it fuller, she's going to cut it smaller. If you want it scanty, she's going to cut it bigger. Get me? Now the next thing she's just going to do is attach the kinky in my hair, just the way you do a crochet basically. Then she's going to go ahead and start tying the hair. You know the way we used to tie thread back in the day? That's what she's doing. So she's going to start tying it and tying it and tying it to the end. But the trick here is you're not going to try to tie it so that it's like neat. You're going to start to create like a loop, like to give that illusion that it's not like straight, so that it doesn't look like thread basically. So that's what she's going to start doing till the end. So you're going to keep doing that loop. You're going to add it. You're not going to do it back to back to back to back, but you're going to do it in a way that it aligns with the hair. I'm not a hairstylist, so I'm going to try to give the best explanation I can, but I hope like as you're seeing it, you can understand what I'm saying. So she's going to keep adding that loop to the hair to keep giving that illusion that it's not thread. Yeah, so that what makes it look like that lock. Then at the end, she's going to add this extension, like the normal attachment extension, because I want the end to have coils. So she's going to add it so that when that is done, we're going to add coils to the hair. Fun fact, guys, so I started making this hair around 9 p.m. and NEPA was messing with us. By this time it was around 2 a.m. ish, and I was over it. Like I was about to say, girl, I'm done, leave me alone, I want to go. But I had to keep going because of you guys. So yeah, around this time, I think it was by 5, and we were almost at the end, so hallelujah. And then by 7:30 we were at the end of it, so yay. Right now we are coiling the hair. We are coiling the hair with this normal rollers. She's coiling 6 to 1 rollers. I think you can coil it 1-1, you can coil it 2-2, you can coil it as maybe 1 roller to 1 hair, but she did 6 to 1 rollers. I think she was actually just tired. So yeah, that's what we did here. So we didn't just attach the coils to the tip of the hair. I also told her to attach the coils to the hair itself, just to give it some razzle dazzle. So to do that, she had to attach some extensions, just tiny bits, tiny strands to the hair itself. And then she's now going to go ahead and coil it the same way you do, for the tips. One thing I'm going to recommend is that when they're tying this hair, make sure you tell them not to make it tight. If they make it too tight, tell them to loosen it and do it again. If not, by the time the hair is done, you're going to be so upset. Like you're going to carry your head like a gamma lizard. So try to make sure they don't make it too tight. Then the last thing we're going to do is to put the hair in hot water. Not the entire hair, just the coiled parts, which is the tip of the hair and the added extensions on the hair. And then if your hair is paining you, you can tell them to go ahead and massage your scalp with hot water. I did not do that because my hair was loose enough, so it did not hurt. I didn't need that. I'm always happy when my hair is not paining me. So yeah, that's the end of this. This is how I was able to make this. This is the steps I used, and I hope it was helpful. So let's go ahead and see the final look. Okay guys, so this is the final thing. I just packed it up because I'm going to work right now. Well, yeah, I will style this in my in my vlog. So if you want to see how I get to style this hair, definitely watch my vlogs. But I like the hair. I actually do like the hair. The only thing that I would say is like a con to me is I don't know how to pack it when I want to shower. I just actually packed this for the first time up because I'm scared of my front hair cutting, so you have to be careful since I just made it like 2 days or 3 days ago. So basically, yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. That is why I made it. If you did, please leave a comment, like this video, share it with your friends, and I hope that you can use this video to make this hair with when you show your stylist. Okay, you're welcome. And subscribe to this channel. Okay, bye.